Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into FNB bank app on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID. Step 2. Open the FNB app. Once installed, tap Open. Step 3. Select Login. On the welcome screen, tap Login. If this is your first time, you would select Register, but for this guide, choose Login. Step 4. Enter your login details. Enter your username and password linked to your FNB profile. Ensure details are typed correctly. Step 5. Security verification. You may be asked to approve a secure notification or enter one-time PIN, OTP, send by SMS or use Face ID or Touch ID if enabled. Complete the verification. Step 6. Access your account. Once verified, you will be logged in and taken to your FNB account dashboard. Step 7. Log out when finished. For safety, tap menu and select logout, especially on shared device. And that's how you can log in into FNB bank app on your iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.